we doing today, Emmett?
We are going on a train.
We're going on a train?
Mommy, does this kind of store?
Yes, it does.
Nice. Can we get on the train right now?
Well, we gotta get inside and we gotta get our tickets.
And then I can pee?
Yes.
Then I can
Everyone can use the bathroom, yes. Come on, Emmett.
Which train do we need to go on?
Cafe.
I know, I was looking at the menu.
I might need to go in there and get like a bottle of water though. Do you want to go get the tickets and I'll go grab something?
Yeah, but I might be hungry. Ellie, careful. Hello.
Yeah, I'm just a little
Take our
Alright,
tickets.
So if you're gonna hold on to those tight, you're gonna board over here to your right.
How fun. Thank
You're
you.
welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Let's go to the information center real quick.
This is our information center.
Was there food? Let's go. Was there food? Cool, we have like 10 minutes, right?
14, 13. 13. So if we're in and out in 5 minutes, we should be
Maybe we can get a sweet treat at the end. Everybody, have a good day. Have a good day.
Thank you.
All right, let's go.
How many more minutes do we have?
Right down here.
Less than you think.
5.
It's this one. I know. I think we're allowed to.
Should be.
There's souvenir tickets.
How you
Hi.
doing? For the Vista, the Vista card? Yes, sir. We're gonna go right here.
Thank you. Can we keep the other side of the tickets?
Because I'm gonna come in and punch him.
Oh, perfect.
Like Tom Hanks.
Okay, thank you.
Up and to the right, guys.
He referenced Tom Hanks.
Nice. Yep,
I
up
love
there.
Tom Hanks.
Trying to find 4 seats together.
One, for your safety, we ask you to please keep your head, hands, and legs, for that matter, inside the window due to some of the close rock passes.
Keep going. It looks like we're going all the way to the end.
Please have your tickets ready, your car hosted on the stay on the east side of town, point forward,
But it's hoping we can see it. I think this is gonna have some very, very fast speed.
The leaves are falling one by one, yet in your eyes the day's not done. With every year your beauty grows, like autumn's hues where love still flows. Time may pass but love won't fade, in every breath you're still my shade. Like fallen leaves that dance in flight, you shine much brighter with the night. leaves are falling one by one, yet in your eyes the day's not done. With every year your beauty grows, like autumn's hues where love still flows. Time may pass but love won't fade, in every breath you're still my shade. Like falling leaves that dance in flight, you shine much brighter with the night. The winds may change, the seasons bend, but you're my love, my timeless friend. In every wrinkle, grace takes form. Through winter's chill, you keep me warm. Time may pass, but love won't fade. In every breath, you're still my shade. Like falling leaves that dance in flight, you shine much brighter with the night.
I'm so pretty.
We are on the Lehigh Gorge Scenic Railway, and we just went downstairs from the scenic view and to find a bathroom, and there's no one here. This might be way more comfortable for Mom in the empty first floor of the Vista View cabin train car. Nice seats, nobody down here. Nobody down here, nobody down there. But this is a nice little lounge area.
The winds may change, the seasons bend, but you're my love, my timeless friend. In every wrinkle, grace takes form. Through winter's chill, you keep me warm. Time may pass, but love won't fade. In every breath, you're still my shade. Like falling leaves that dance in flight, you shine much brighter with the night.
How do you think it's pronounced?
What? Ouch chunk.
Let's go find out. Yeah, it's a visitor center. Oh look, things to do. There's a nature reserve, but it's 60 miles from here. All of these are far away.
Gotta touch all the buttons.
All right, let's go. I don't have anything. Hi, friend. They have drinks over here. Literal bear. It's literally a bear. Post-mortem portrait parlor? What is this?
Okay, guys, it's been a really long day, and I'd like to say some shout outs. Shout out! I'll never forget you, Joe and Lisa.
13-minute walk.
Shout out! Go to the turning point.
Shout out Grantham.
Who?
Grantham. He's just one of my favorite YouTubers.
Shout out to
That's like Ellie and Emmett when they're like, oh, Mr. Beast, we hope you see this. Mr. Beast, we hope you see this. Ryan, put us in your video. Come on, you two. That's okay. Well, let's go. Yeah. The Switzerland of Pennsylvania. Curious about...
The bee sting, baby.
I did see the bee sting.
Can we check out here?
This is the place. For old souls.
Gypsies, vagabonds, rebels, flower child, and the wild child. Oh, okay.
Emporium of
Don't be
New
picking
Age
anything
goods. Sorts of fun New Age stuff. No touching, okay? All the spooky girl stuff. Books are amazing. Look, it's the book. Oh, that's why you didn't want me to see all the books. You know I'm a sucker for books. It's a really cute store.
It is.
I love it personally. I bet you they get really busy at Christmas or Halloween.
This is where Allie would want to get a job.
Oh.
4 times more to go.
Yeah, and it looks like it does start to go up. So shall we turn around? I do really want to go to it. You guys want to go to the crime museum? Let's stop in at Kramer Law Firm just to say hi.
Wanna?
Should I? I'll bring them a fruit punch.
And a walking taco.
Yes. Oh, and the Novik Law Offices. Let's stop in here too and just to say hi. The Novik Law Offices, if you see this, I can help you rank in Jim Thorpe. Come with me.
It's so pretty.
It's just a cute coffee shop. It's really cute.
Fabulous Halloween! So beautiful!
They have really pretty stuff in here. Do they? You two should definitely not get too distracted and touch anything, okay? So what did you think of the Scenic?
The Lehigh Gorge Scenic Railway.
Yeah, thanks. I never can say like what we're doing right.
I loved it. I thought
Did
we
you?
had a great time. We got separated, unfortunately, but we got
did.
to sit with some very nice people.
Okay, 2 things you need to know about the railroad. 1, there's not assigned seating. So if you buy 4 seats, there's no guarantee that the 4 of you will be able to sit together.
To be
which
fair,
was surprising for us.
To be fair, we were a bit late. It said to get here an hour early, and we got on the train with like 5 minutes to go.
I mean,
so.
sure, that's fair. That's a fair point, but still, so you might get separated. And the other thing is there are 2 different Vista Dome cars. So right now in September, the fall one is not, the like nicer of the 2 is not currently running. Now we're walking back to the car, and they have this little river on the way back. The Lehigh River.